In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language setting in your Mailchimp account. Whether you're collaborating with a global team or you simply prefer to use Mailchimp in another language, adjusting your settings is a quick and easy process. Let's dive in and make those changes together. We begin on the main dashboard of your Mailchimp account. This page is essentially your control panel, where you can manage campaigns, view reports, and of course, adjust your account settings. Now, to change the language settings, start by locating your profile at the top right corner of the Mailchimp dashboard. Your profile might display your name or simply show the default profile icon, depending on how your account is set up. Once you've found it, click on your profile to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Within this menu, you'll notice the current language setting displayed. For many, the default is set to US English, but this can vary based on your region. Clicking on the language setting takes you to a page that allows you to adjust your account preferences. On this new page, look for the option labeled Select Language, or something along those lines. This section is where you can choose the new language you want to use for your Mailchimp account. Clicking on Select Language will present you with a list of available languages. Mailchimp supports a variety of languages, so scroll through the list until you find the one you prefer. Once you've found your desired language, simply click on it to select it. This selection will change the interface language of your Mailchimp account to your chosen language. And just like that, you've successfully changed the language setting of your Mailchimp account. It's as easy as logging in, navigating to your profile, and selecting the new language you wish to use. Remember, changing the language setting will alter the language of the Mailchimp interface, making it more accessible if English isn't your first language, or if you're more comfortable in another language for business communications. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of quick tips to ensure a smooth process. If you encounter any issues logging in or navigating the Mailchimp dashboard, make sure to check your internet connection and ensure you're using a supported web browser. Also, consider updating your browser to the latest version for the best experience. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and straightforward. Changing the language in Mailchimp is a simple but powerful way to customize your experience and enhance your workflow, especially in a multilingual team or market. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Mailchimp's support team or consult their extensive knowledge base for more information. Happy emailing!